ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Oluwabusala Akinlosotu of Health's Corner. Last week, we discussed arthritis and the effects it has on our everyday life. This week's topic will be ways to lower blood pressure naturally and fast. Now let's jump into it. Do you know that heart problem is number one cause of death in the world today, and high blood pressure or hypertension is the leading cause of heart disease, as we see in the graph below? High blood pressure, hypertension, causes and symptoms. High blood pressure is known to be the high pressure in the vessel that carries blood from the heart to the rest of the body, that is the arteries. Those who have high blood pressure may experience stroke, heart attack, heart failure, kidney failure, blindness, and much more. Studies show 45% of adults in America have hypertension, while 90% of adults over the age of 65 have hypertension. There are many medications that can lower high blood pressure, but the side effects is the reason why many people couldn't handle it. The question is there any natural way to lower high blood pressure and fast? And the answer is yes. You can without medication. High blood pressure. Do you have high blood pressure? The normal high blood pressure is when systolic of less than 120 and diastolic of less than 80. If you have systolic blood pressure of 130 or greater consistently, you have hypertension. And you have diastolic blood pressure of 80 or greater consistently, you have hypertension, as we can see in the graph and chart to the side. Causes is unknown, but risk factors are stated: renal diseases, genetic factors, drugs, alcohol, licorice, oversynthesis of hormones, arterial disease, unknown 95%, and age. Symptoms may include: most people are symptomless. Others may experience severe headache, severe anxiety, shortness of breath, nosebleed, feeling of pulsations in their neck or head, as we can see in the graph below demonstrated. How to lower high blood pressure naturally and quickly. Practice slow deep breath. This causes heart rate to slow down, blood vessels to dilate, and blood pressure to decrease. Do slow inhalations for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for about 4 seconds and exhale slowly. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes. Have low salt intake. Watch out for the label of the food you buy to eat and see how much sodium the foods have. If you are African American suffering from hypertension, diabetes, kidney disease, or you are 50 years old, your sodium intake should not be more than 1,500 milligrams daily. Our key takeaways or other ways to prevent high blood pressure. Number 1, take supplements under the supervision of your doctor. Number 2, eat foods that help lower blood pressure. Number 3, get enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours a day. This is imperative. Number 4, exercise regularly at least 30 minutes most a day of the week. Number 5, do yoga or meditation. Number 6, reduce stress. Number 7, learn how to say no if people are putting too much stress on you. Do not take up more than you can intake. That's all for today. I'm your host, Oluwabusala Akinlosotu, signing off. Remember, I love you, God loves you, and remember to stay healthy.